Western Ghats thing went on very well. In the sense, the second reinstated, you can say, the movement. Uh, within 1 year, we got the results. And one of the results was that we demanded that there should be a Western Ghat authority. We should look after the Western Ghats not in the political sense of the term, but in the ecological sense of it.
Not divided by states.
Yeah, as one unit, ecological continuum, which can be managed holistically differently.
Right.
The ministry agreed to that, but they could not have immediately announced the authority. So what they set up a expert panel to recommend the setting up of an authority. This will be the first of the only kind of authority in India. We don't have ecological authorities. So that 1 year of consultation is now complete, should be complete in next 2 days. And from then on, let's see what comes out. But then that has been the achievement of this movement in last 2 years.
To cap the movement, I mean, what are its highs and lows over so many years, 15
I think for some reason it went low on its own because of internal squabbles and other concerns. But this time it didn't work on, it worked on a very different level.
And the highs that it has achieved so far, the highs that it has achieved, it managed to bring people together?
It managed to bring people together. People are rallying around issues rather than on personalities. And then they are focusing on one point of setting up something which is on a national scale and which looks after the ecology of Western Ghats than anything else.
And what are the main concerns as far as the Ghats go?
Too much development in Western Ghats. All kind of development. It's a microcosm of what could go wrong anywhere. So people wanted to upturn and say that, look, Western Ghats is not the place to experiment. It's a ecological laboratory where nature is still at work. If you find new species of amphibians, for example, this is a hotspot for amphibians. Last 4 or 5 years, you have got 10 new species of amphibians in Western Ghats. You have found for the first time, which means that this nature is still at work. So you cannot disturb nature in Western Ghats, which is still at work. So that was the overall.
It's one of the biological hotspots of the world.
Oh, it is already there. 16th, one of the 16th or something like this.
And from nuclear plants to everything?
Everything is there. From thermal to nuclear to tourism to large dams, everything is there. Absolutely.